This is the AAGUT drum practice pad. I picked this up and we're going to take a look at it and I'll let you know how it works and how it sounds. So in the box you get two different pair of drumsticks. One's 5A and the other's 5A. You get this little bag carrying case, and then you get the pad itself. This is what the pad looks like here. So this is the actual side that you hit. You can see it's got AAGUT. On the bottom here, it's got this little padding here to keep it from sliding. It'll slide a little bit, but you have to kind of give it a little force. I've got some drumsticks already. We're just going to test these out. I'll just let the stick bounce. You can see it's pretty quiet. But overall, it'd be a great pad to use to practice with, especially if you have someone in marching band or learning the drums. And you don't want to have too much loud noise. Check out this one.